Guys, right inside this door, the energy is off the charts.
The entire staff, and especially Lacey Schwartz.
Man behind it all.
You having a good time so far?
Yeah.
What do you do here at Leisure Chateau?
Bring patients around, help them get to the dining room. It's just a nice thing to do.
Who's singing?
Joey.
Joey who?
Newcomb.
How you doing?
What you're seeing here is the new Leisure Chateau.
Heard mamish hele good things, amazing things. Heimish, Gashmias, Ruchnias, everything you need. Getting people back on their feet, amazing. What else can you need?
But we're not surprised because the Leisure Chateau, that's what they do. They bring positive vibes, they bring happiness, they bring smiles, they bring meet us.
Next time, you better come.